All right, so we're going live. This is the second day for dental health. And we're looking at a book that's talking about oral hygiene. Yesterday, we read a book that was more about just how closely connected oral health or dental health is to the health of the entire body. So today, we'll get a little bit more specific on just the dental health. All right, go ahead and share the screen. And borrow the book. All right, so this book is about general hygiene. I thought it was just about oral health. Wash your hands, what are germs? How can you keep your mouth healthy? So we're going to go to page 10. All right. How can you keep your mouth healthy? So a few parts of your body do as much for you every day as your mouth and teeth. They help you chew and swallow. They help you sip and gulp. They even help you talk, sing, and smile all through the day. Great. I like that. Those are all activities that we can look for to do in the itinerary. Keeping them healthy is important. Bacteria are the biggest danger for your mouth. They cause tooth decay. Bacteria grow when they find sugar left over from food on your teeth. Once bacteria start eating the sugar, they form a film called plaque. Try running your tongue over the front of your teeth. Then feel the back. The back may feel rougher than the smooth fronts of your teeth. If so, you have found that plaque is forming on the back of your teeth. All right, so our mouth and teeth help us to do all kinds of things, such as saying ah and I think goofy. This is what a strain of plaque looks like under a microscope. If you don't take care of your teeth, plaque can build up until you have to have your dentist remove it. Yikes. Plaque causes several problems for your mouth. It can lead to cavities or tiny holes in the surface of your teeth. It can also make the gum around your teeth red, swollen, and sore. This is called gingivitis. Plaque is harmful to your teeth, but it is easy to get rid of. Brushing your teeth twice a day will clean away the sticky mix of sugar and bacteria. Flossing between your teeth once a day removes plaque from the tiny edges of the teeth. Not taking care of your teeth and gums can result in gingivitis. Have you ever noticed that your mouth tastes funny when you wake up in the morning? Dead cells pile up on your tongue and gums during the night when your mouth is dry. Bacteria begin eating them just like they eat the sugar in your mouth. The result is a film in your mouth that tastes and smells bad. Some people rinse their mouth with water as soon as they get up. Others brush their teeth even before they eat breakfast. Getting rid of the bacteria makes the mouth feel fresh again. All right, brush your teeth. Yeah, I will say that I actually have had a history of not brushing my teeth as much as I should, or flossing as much as I should. But I think, I think, I think my diet helps it a little bit. Now, not so much today. I'm eating a bit of sugar today, but I don't drink sugary drinks, which I think. Now, again, like always, I'm just talking about different topics. I don't know, but I guess because I don't drink sugary drinks, it keeps the sugar. Well, that doesn't really make any sense. I'm still eating sugar. It's on my teeth. But I haven't had any cavities, I don't think. So, yeah. But I do want to get a deep cleaning. So, brush your teeth. The early Egyptians tried to clean their teeth. They rubbed crushed eggshells and ash on their teeth with their fingers. Over the years, people also tried crushed shells and ground up chalk or charcoal. Sometimes they mixed these hard, grainy things with something sweet, such as honey. Finally, in 1873, the Colgate Company created the first dental cream and sold it in a jar. The toothbrush was created in 1938 after the invention of nylon. Many years later, they began selling toothpaste in a tube. Now you can buy toothpaste in lots of cool flavors, colors, and packages. Today, brushing your teeth is really not so bad. It's true, but we can go back to this. Brushing your teeth is one of the best ways for you to take care of yourself. All right. Um, Dental Hygiene Museum? Pretty sure I already listed this somewhere. Dr. Samuel D. Harris, National Museum of Dentistry. I think I already put this somewhere. Yeah, that would be the best way to search it. If I go here, and then I come here, and then I can do Dr. Samuel D. Harris, National Museum of Dentistry. Now, I doubt that I would have put all of this. And I know I put a dentistry museum. Or was it like a dentistry tools museum? What was that museum that I put? It wasn't there. Reviving resolutions, trafficking, no. Calendars, no. Gifted rappers, no. Regional language, no. Health? Oh, no, I don't think so. Anthology, Doreen, Team Tober, meteorology, agriculture, cookbook, self-help. Maybe I didn't. I think I did, though. Was it bladder health? Oh, I'm thinking about the Urology Museum in Maryland. That's what I'm thinking about. Yeah. The Urology Museum in Linthicum Heights. All right, Urology Museum. All right, now I'm gonna have to look up connection between the oral health and bladder health. Research suggests, and it's AI, of course, research suggests a potential link between poor oral health, particularly gum disease, and bladder health issues. Whoa! With studies showing that individuals with advanced gum disease may have a higher risk of developing bladder cancer or experiencing lower urinary tract symptoms, like overactive bladder, due to the shared inflammatory pathways between the mouth and urinary system. Essentially, bacteria from the mouth can enter the bloodstream and potentially contribute to inflammation in the bladder. Wow. Honestly, that could be me. I have been told that I don't have like bad health issues, but I think my bladder issues are coming from somewhere else, but might be exacerbated by my teeth situation. Wow. Chronic inflammation. Okay, so it could be chronic inflammation. Yeah, because I used to have really bad eczema as well, which I don't anymore. I am so proud to say I do not have any eczema anymore. And if I do have eczema, I kind of know how to handle it better. And man, I think I can honestly say in the past year, I haven't had any eczema. I used to have terrible eczema when I was little and in college. But generally, I think I think my eczema is more connected to like social challenges. We're getting a little off topic, but hmm. I know AI isn't always right, but AI usually at least kind of gets the noggin going. Okay, it's a bit intense. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. I need to start meditation. I need to start doing meditations. Ooh. Yeah. So diet and eczema. So for me, I do try to stay away from dairy. I like cheese. Sometimes I really like sour cream. Sour cream doesn't really seem to impact me. Gluten gluten does. I'll still do, brown rice and pasta, but bread. I don't do bread. But, bread is super processed. And I was watching this video the other day. This girl was saying that she'll eat the same type of food in other countries and it's fine. So I don't think it's a gluten issue. I think for me, it might be the other added stuff. Nuts and fish are fine for me. In fact, I really like adding nuts to breakfast and desserts. And fish is great. I mean, I absolutely love fish. I love canned fish. I really like fish in all types of ways. I do think sugar makes me flare up if I eat it over an extended period. Like for example, I have some cookies today. I'm indulging a little bit in some cookies, but and even so, I can say I'm a little itchy right here. See that? I'm a little itchy. So yeah, I would say the sugar and the other type of stuff that goes along with gluten gets to me. What else? What else makes me itchy? Yeah. Yeah, distress. Just sugar and distress. But I think sugar kind of does the same thing to your body that distress does, right? Does it? Does sugar act like distress in the body? Or processed sugar? Ooh, yes. According to research, consuming large amounts of processed sugar can have similar effects to distress in the body, causing fluctuations in blood sugar, triggering hormonal imbalances, and potentially leading to feelings of anxiety, irritability, mood swings, which are often associated with stress. Okay, yeah. So maybe I gravitated towards the sugar today because I was already feeling stressed. I should have gone to the other store. I shouldn't have gone to that store, but it's fine. So, yep, I haven't really had any sugar this whole month. Most of the sugar that I have comes from maple syrup, frozen fruit, and dried fruit. And eating other types of sugar does give me headaches and tummy aches, but there are some things that I just think are worth it. Every now and then I like a really good chocolate chip cookie. Um, and, that all relates back to teeth health, I guess. But I think my teeth are generally okay these days because I don't eat a lot of sugar regularly. But I still need to get my teeth cleaned. Okay. So it did mention singing and other activities, right? And I know it might sound like it's off topic, and it is off topic, but it's really more about it being inspired by the book and that chapter and the words in the chapter. So if you're, that's not the right one. Going for dental health. Dental. Okay, so it talks quite a bit about bacteria. Learning about bacteria. Is there like a bacteria? Museum. Ooh. There's a museum in Amsterdam based on the idea of distributing information about microbes, which are often associated with illness and disease despite their essential function in the daily functioning of human life. The museum opened on the 30th of September 2014 in Amsterdam. Okay, so what do you have in common plants, animals, and microbes? Find out this museum. See, it's microbial life. Microbes, Natural History of Museum, Bacterial World, Oxford University Museum of Natural History. All right, let's look at this one. Microbia. Ooh. Let's see if I can translate it. Police. Yay, okay. Things to do, plan your visit. Things to do. Oh, what a nice little piece. Okay, 10 Microbia. Do I have to translate it again? Tuesday, February 18th. All right, all day. Lab technician tells. Also in English, also in English, also in English. Activity, collect all microbe stamps. Microbe of the month. Okay, I thought it said mouth for a second. Micro mission, travel through your body. All right, well, this is definitely getting added. So we have. There's the park. This is fantastic. What is the actual name of the museum? Artis Micropia. Artis Micropia? All right, it's been a place where people and nature come together since 1838. As the first public zoo in the Netherlands and still one of the 5 oldest in the world, Artis has grown into an inspiring place in the middle of the city where nature education and experience go hand in hand. Westerman, Orleman, and Wijsmuller was founded in 1838 as a zoological society, natural arts. Okay, so I think that's fine. Artis Group Museum, Artis Microbia. Okay, I think it's Artis Microbia. I think that's where we want to go. Oh, man. All right, stop right there. We need is this, and then title of the book is Personal Hygiene and Good Health. Okay. So I would say participate in one of the activities, or um, mm, huh. Hmm. Well, yeah. I don't know what happened. I just got this list. The schedule, don't know where it is now. I'm actually wondering if I should list it as just artists in general, but I think we should be more specific about the microbe of the month. Ooh, this is every day. Come on, that is so cool. Attend the lab technician tells presentations. And then I don't know. I'd say write a song. What's the other thing that you say? Uh, Write a song. Um, Chew and swallow, sip and gulp. Um, I would say sing a song, right? And sing a song about what you learned. Um, uh, her, sorry, write a song about what you learned. Uh, or just read about the microbe of the month. Write a song about what you learn and perform it in front of a crowd as they eat. Food and drink drinks. They say chew food and sip drinks. Let's do that. Chew food and sip drinks. Yes. All right. Very cool. I love that's very good. So we're talking about bacteria, which comes up quite a bit in the chapter. We're going to a place that's all about that. It's in, where is it? Amsterdam. You don't have to go to Amsterdam though. And then you can just write a song and have people, you're all just using your mouths, chew and sip and singing. All right. And collecting, pick up your stamp card at the cash register. I love this. I don't know what they're talking about, but I would like to go. Stamp your microbes here. During your visit to Artist Microbia, you will not only collect microbial knowledge, you can also collect microbial stamps. Spread throughout the museum are 30 unique stamps, each depicting a different microbe. From bacteria to fungi, viruses to algae, these stamps represent a diverse selection of the microscopic world. Grab your stamp card at the entrance of the museum and go to collect them all. At the end of your visit, you can put your stamp card under the scanner on the ground floor. Look at the big screen. There your microbe collection comes to life. Be amazed by the beautiful images and learn more about the microbes you collected during your visit. I love it. I love it. That is so very exciting. Okay. We'll go. It'll be fun. It'll be very, very fun. It'll be one of the best days ever. All right, so we're going to come back here. And yeah, honestly, we're done. So what I'd kind of like to study, let's see if we can just find a random trivia activity on bacteria. Microbe trivia. Ooh, microbe trivia. Oh, pro profs. Okay, this isn't super old. Let's start it. Woo. Who proved that microorganisms cause disease? Ooh. Ooh. He was the pasteurization guy. I actually think it was this guy. Is that wrong? Huh? I'm confused. I don't think. Did I? Can I not? Oh, cool. Ooh. This makes me want to watch The Painted Veil. Ow. That was easy? I guess for professors, yeah. Next question. Nitrogen bases are building blocks of, haha, nucleotides. It's not lipids. It's either nucleotides or ribosomes. Oh. Okay, hold on. I actually think it's ribosomes. Ooh. I don't know. There's nothing to dig into. Nucleotides or ribosomes? I think it's ribosomes. It seems obvious for it to be like in and in, but I don't think it's nucleotides. I think it's ribosomes. Oh, it is nucleotides. That was my first guess. Nitrogen, this base, sugar, deoxyribose or ribose, and a phosphate group. The nitrogen bases include adenine, thymine, guanine. Now, the thing is, I know I didn't study biology in college at all, but I did take biology in high school. And I know that was a long time ago, but it was good. Oh, my rank moved down. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, proteins are formed by amino acids connected by peptide bonds. I'm pretty confident about that one. Oh, yeah. I moved up. Which of the following is not a kingdom of the five kingdoms system? Plant. Ooh, algae. You. Okay, 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 okay. The endospore? Negative 10. I think it's the endospore. I'm pretty sure. I think it's like. Yeah, that's the only thing that makes sense. No? Determine the cell shape. Determine cell shape. So, endospore? I don't know what it is. We discussed two processes for synthesizing ATP. Which process requires proton gradient across the membrane? Yeah, I don't know. Proton gradient across the membrane? Substrate? Eesh. All right. Staining, making a smear, fixing. I'm going to say smear, then stain, then fix. That's not an option. So stain, smear, fix. Stain, stain. Is it just 1, 2, 3? Fix, smear, stain? I don't know. I think it's make a smear first. For some reason, I just think that's first. I think that's first. Yay! I have no idea. I don't think it's plasmid. I think it's. I don't think it's these two. I think it's either peptid or lipo. I only say that because it takes off stuff, right? Like lipo. I mean, I know like lipids are like fat, right? I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Identify the false statement. The cell wall of G plus is much thicker than G minus. In G gram stain, G negative are blue, G plus are pink. I mean, I'm just going off of what we just did with the previous one. So the cell wall of G plus is much thicker than G negative. I think that's false. Okay, this is true. We know this is true. Now, blue is usually basic and red is acidic. So positive, both of these can't be true. One of these is false. So this one must be true. So then blue is basic, which is usually negative. I'm going for this. Okay, I still narrowed it down though. All right. Okay, cool. Well, all of the following statements are true of gram-positive cells, except which one? No, gram-positive have more lipo. So this is false. What? Gram-negative. I'm thinking about gram-negative. Okay. Okay. So gram-negative has the lipo thing. Which of the following statements are about gram-negative cell wall is not true? I think it's this. Didn't we read something about like it not keeping shape or something? It's one of these. It protects the cell from osmosis. Is not true. It must protect the cell. I don't know. I think it has. I'm guessing it has the acids and stuff. Oh, just the cell wall doesn't have acids. The cell wall should maintain the shape. Maybe it's this one. Cool. Ooh. Teichoic. Teichoic acids are a characteristic of gram-positive cell walls. Gram-negative cell walls contain lipopolysaccharides, which are responsible for endotoxin activity. The outer membrane of gram-negative cell walls provides protection against osmotic lysis. The outer membrane of gram-negative cell walls provides protection against osmotic lysis. The outer membrane of gram-negative cell walls provides protection against osmotic lysis. The peptidoglycan layer in the cell wall helps maintain the shape of the cell. Peptidoglycan. Peptids. A gram-negative cell wall contains lipopolysaccharides, which are responsible for the endotoxin activity. Which of the following is not a kingdom in the five kingdom system? Yay! I have another chance. Fungi. Oh, virus. Oh. Okay, I know it's Animalia, Monaria, Plantaea. Fungi is definitely one. Virus is not one. Oh no. They're not paying enough attention. Oh, this should be right. Okay. Yeah, because viruses aren't alive, which is always right. Viruses aren't alive or something. This is weird. All right, we have time for one more. All right, which of the following chemical bonds is the strongest? Ooh, I think it's ionic. Okay, actually, it might be hydrogen. They all have the same strength. Ionic? I don't think it's ionic. I don't think it's covalent. I actually think it's hydrogen because that's why you can get a hydrogen bomb. I think. I'm guessing. But no. Covalent. Covalent bonds are the strongest type of chemical bonds. In covalent bond, two atomic atoms share electrons, creating a strong bond. This sharing of electrons results in a stable configuration of both atoms, making the bond difficult to break. Ionic bonds, on the other hand, involve the transfer of electrons from one atom to the other, resulting in a weaker bond. Hydrogen bonds are even weaker than both ionic and covalent bonds, as they are formed between a hydrogen atom and an electronegative atom, such as oxygen or nitrogen. Therefore, the correct answer is covalent bond. All right, so completely wrong. Let's see if I can get 3 more right before we finish up for today. Bacterial cell membrane does not contain nucleic acid. The bacterial cell membrane is composed of phospholipids, proteins, and lipids, which are essential components for its structure and function. Glycoproteins are also present in the membrane, serving various roles as cell recognition and signaling. However, nucleic acids, which include DNA and RNA, are not typically found in the cell membrane. Nucleic acids are primarily located within the bacterial cell cytoplasm and nucleus, where they play a crucial role in genetic information storage and protein synthesis. Oh, that makes sense. Then the nucleus. Nucleic acids in the nucleus. That was pretty clear. All right. So going to see if I can get 3. All of the following can be found in mitochondria, except it's all wrong. All right, that one was pretty simple. This microscope uses an ultraviolet light source. It's got to be fluorescent, right? Yay. And then these molecules are the primary building blocks of the plasma membrane in cells. Ooh, I think it's lipids. I think it's lipids. Or proteins. Yay, it's lipids! Yay. What? Alright, I got 11 right. Cool. Okay, so great. That was great. So we have the itinerary done. We studied a little bit and even found a museum. So have a great one and see you tomorrow.